How to see if someone blocked you on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone blocked you on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the username of the person you suspect has blocked you. If you can't send them a message and it says, "This person is unavailable on Messenger," that likely means they've blocked you or deactivated their account. You also won't see their profile picture or last active status. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.